Good morning, second graders. Today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. And your first job is you are going to listen to reading. You're going to click on the link here, Frogs by Gail Gibbons. And afterwards, I want you to write down some facts you learned about frogs and what are some opinions that you have about frogs. You can go ahead and upload that to Seesaw if you click Add and then post your work, or however you guys go about it. You can post it onto Seesaw and you can type it on there so if I go here and I choose the note, then you can go ahead and type on your facts and opinions on there, or you can write it in your notebook and upload it to Seesaw. Oops, wrong link there. Okay, then I want you to watch Brain Prop Contractions. We have watched it before, but I want you to watch it for review, and then complete 2 IXLs, XX1 and XX5. So if I open XX1, it says match the contractions to the words. He is, he's, was not, wasn't. Do not, that's don't. They are, they're. And then continue with that. And then the second IXL is form contractions with not. So Mr. and Mrs. Kent haven't left yet. The not says the N apostrophe T. So you have your first word is N apostrophe T for all of the nots. So again, first word, Mom and Dad do not let us watch TV. Do is your first word, and then N apostrophe T. Let's do one more. Fred and Jen are not brothers and sisters. Put that whole first word down, are, and then our not contraction is N apostrophe T. Okay, then you need to read to self for at least 15 minutes today. It would be great if you could read to self for at least 30 minutes, but at minimum, I want you to read 15 minutes. And then you have your Sunday mastery check under optional now and your Sunday worksheet. Then you can read to a partner for 15 minutes if you'd like. You can complete a Raz Kids, or there's 2 other stories. You can click on the links for a read aloud about frogs. Have fun learning today.